Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Techno Labz. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert any website link into an app on your Mac. Many popular services like YouTube, Netflix, or Kayo Sports don't have dedicated apps on the Mac App Store. But the good news is, you can still use them like real apps on your Mac. Let's see how. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. Now, visit the website you want to convert into an app. For this example, I'll use Netflix. Once the website loads, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share, and then click Install Page as App. A pop-up will appear asking you to install the app. Click Install. That's it. The website is now installed as an app and appears directly in your dock. You can now open it just like a normal app. No browser required. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. I'll be sharing more IT and tech-related videos very soon. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Labz for regular tech updates. Thanks for watching. Take care and enjoy your day.